Good morning. Today is Monday, January 18th. Today is Martin Luther King Day. A little bit of trivia today is Martin Luther King Day was declared the national holiday by President Ronald Reagan in 1983. So time to think about where this country wouldn't be without Martin Luther King. I'm sure we all remember the speech, "I Have a Dream." In fact, I can remember when I was a missionary in Indonesia, we taught our students English using Martin Luther King's speech, "I Have a Dream." So, I've been doing this 36 years, be 37 years this year in October. When I first got into the insurance business, we talked about the sales process. One of the things in selling insurance, you have to find clients who have a need. The next thing is the client has to recognize they have the need. The third thing is they have to have a desire to fulfill the need. And the last thing is they have to have the ability to fulfill the need. So let's take a look at that with employer-based health insurance. Employers. Everybody has a need at some point for health care. Now, do they recognize they have the need? Well, just think about yourself. Do you recognize that you have the need for health care? Could be that day in January like today when you come home and your wife is telling you the kids are sick, or your husband's telling you he's feeling lousy and you need to get to the doctor. I mean, everywhere you go, you see what I call doc in the box, urgent care facilities. So we know we need health care. You recognize you have a need for health care. Now, the desire. That's a little bit interesting. Nothing in this life is for free. I don't care what they say, nothing's for free. Everybody needs to get paid. Even if you think you can walk into an ER and not pay your bill, well, who's going to pay that doctor? Who's going to pay the electricity, the cost of the insurance to run the place, the supplies? So everything costs something. Do you want to pay an insurance premiums? That's now where, do you have a desire to fill that need? Do you have a desire to be concerned about your employees having good health care? And do you have the ability? The ability now is, can you pay insurance premiums? This is where you might decide to split the cost of the insurance with your employees. Now, when it comes to their dependents, the dependents are in the same situation. They need health insurance. They probably recognize they have a need for health insurance. They're probably looking to get health insurance from their employer. And the ability is their employer going to allow for this to happen? And remember, you get better quality health plans through the employer than you do going through the marketplace. And I'm not talking about Mark's Place. So these are the things to be concerned with the health insurance. Look at it. It's an important thing, because trust me on this one, you've probably already seen employees leave your business to go find insurance with another employer, because still the mentality in the United States is health insurance should be purchased from the employer. You have a need for health insurance, and the bills can be very, very expensive. 2, 3 kids, and they're all getting sick, and you're looking at another $500, $600, $700 for their health care. You have a need for health insurance, or it's your children are getting ready to go back to school in the fall, and they're told they need school physicals. Or you need an adult physical. Or, you got this thing that's growing out of here. Or you trip over the dog and break your foot. Employees look to you to provide them with the insurance. Now, that's not necessarily pay the 100% of the premium, but they look to you for that. So, if you don't want to be losing your employees to other businesses that may be paying the same or less wage, consider health insurance. And once again, see my number on the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and give me a call. So in 2 days, we will have a new president. From my desk, what I do for a living, I hope and pray that he's able to clean up some of the mess of the Affordable Care Act. Hopefully 4 years from now, he'll be able to reduce our premiums and make us less dependent upon the country for premium credits, because eventually those premium credits are going to have to be paid back by we the citizens. And the success of America the next 4 years.